not race red. This is more of a ruby red, like a maroon. Looks phenomenal out here in the sun. When you get in this car, it's actually a pretty deep step. But if you notice, once you're in, you cannot reach that. I mean, you'd have to really extend. So I recommend when you walk up to the car, grab the handle, step in, and pull. That way, one seamless motion, and you're not trying to reach for it. Beautiful, beautiful car though. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 15,530 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Beautiful carbon in here. All of this looks really, really good. Shifts nice and smooth. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. Doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. No complaints with the drivability so far. Everything's solid. Like I said, steering wheel's straight. Didn't have any type of shimmy to it. Shifts perfectly smooth. When you apply the brakes, there's no vibrations. Everything is solid. Really, really nice. Everything has that matte finish to it. Very well preserved. We are driving in Sport Plus. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Now you can see some delamination here on that edge, little scratches here. You can see these kind of flaws in the finish, kind of all throughout the edge. A little bit on that spoke. Looking at the tires, got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, date code 2021. I don't see any PPF on this car, so you're going to see some little rock chips kind of peppered throughout, maybe 15 or so in that area. A couple markings right there. You can see those light abrasions. Got a chip there, chip there. That lower side looks good. A couple rock impacts on the side mirror. A few on that A-pillar. Got one right there. A couple more there. Few light scuffs here. That lower section looks good. Quarter panel area, nice and clean. Here on this wheel, the finish looks a lot better on this wheel. I do not see the same flaws like I did on that front. Looks good. Barrel's nice and clean. That back area looks good. Here on the headlights, typical rock impacts, but beautiful clarity on them. You're going to see rock chips kind of peppered throughout that area. A lot of them have been touched up. Very light swirls from just everyday washing. I don't see any damage larger than just the rock chips so far. Got some chips here. Scuffs. You have some rash on that plastic piece. I'm going to get down low and look at that in just a second to see the paint. rest of that looks good. Typical rock impacts, but nothing out of the ordinary. Looking at that, so the plastic piece has been hit, and you're gonna see the bumper has rash as well. Let's look at this side. You have a little more rash there. Once again, the bumper has been hit there, so you have some rash. Now about a foot or so off the ground. Looking at that, you really don't see it. Date code on the tire, 2021. Here on that fender, you got a chip there. You have some chips kind of in that area. Like I said, most of those have been touched up. Here on this wheel, the finish looks really good. A few small chips, otherwise in great condition. Lower side looks good. Got a little imperfection there, a little scratch kind of embedded. Mirror looks nice. Overall, that looks good. Couple chips. Finish on this wheel looks good. Tail lights look awesome. That tail light looks good. Having the deck lid, that's in great condition. Exhaust tips, those look good. You have a chip there, chip there. That piece looks good. Like I said, very light swirls from just kind of everyday washing. All right, checking out the interior. It's really complicated to film this being up high. But all of that looks good. Here on this trim piece, a couple light scuffs. That jam looks good. You got a gash right here. Otherwise, that looks really nice. All of that's in great condition. The edge of this is perfect. It hasn't hit anything. Looking at the seat, a little bit of wear on the edge, a little discoloration over the years, but it's very minimal. That looks good. Here on the steering wheel, you have Alcantara on the edges. It still has a nice soft feel, but it is matted down a little bit. The gauges look super cool. Upper side of the dash. From what I can see, that looks good. Beautiful carbon here on that center console. Looks really, really nice, and then it extends back here as well. Alright, checking out this side. Looking at the panel. That looks good. Alcantara's nice and clean. Little scuff here, but otherwise that jam looks really good. A few little scuffs on that trim. Looking at the bolster, that's in great condition. Now right there you have a couple light scuffs. Upper side looks good. All the leather inserts here are nice. Here on the upper side of the dash. Looks really good. Alcantara headliner. Beautiful. And checking out the engine bay. This is like 5 foot long. It's crazy to see this. Can't even reach back here to look at all that. I imagine this is a pretty hard car to work on because you have to basically be inside the engine bay. It looks really, really good. Nice and clean. Here on the underhood liner, that's in great condition. Beautiful engine bay.